Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 27 December 2018's pre-open analysis. Today what Indian markets can do, we don't know, for the reason being US markets have been ecstatic yesterday and SGX Nifty is not showing that much of an improvement in its up move, and it is showing 39 points up move. And US markets, hold your breath, have done excess of 5% on all the indices. DowJones at 4.98% up at 1086.25 points up, and Nasdaq was up by 361.4 points at 5.84 points percent up, and S&P up by 116.6 points at 4.96% up. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have recovered a huge tumble yesterday. The level of 10,561 or 10,563 has been a very strong support. I have told you yesterday 10,563 will be a very strong support because it has a support from previous Fibonacci retracement. So that level has been held, and the level of 10,730 has been reached at the end of yesterday's close. So the market actually went upwards to the level of 10,774 levels, however came down from there to the level of 10,730 and closed over there. However, that was a huge turn from yesterday in Indian markets. It is just showing that Indian markets is ready to cope up with any of these downturns, and it is ready to go upwards. So what are the supports we have to watch out for in today's session? 10,707, 10,674, 10,650, 10,600, 10,563, 10,550 and 10,500 are strong supports for Indian markets. Above, we have to watch out for 10,771 levels, 10,800, 10,833 levels, 10,847 levels, 10,884, 10,900, 10,926 are the levels we had to watch out for as resistances. And of course, if we go above 11,000 is a very strong support for Indian markets to cross. Above that, 11,090 is a very strong resistance. See, I have already told you, when we reach the level of the 90 levels in fast stochastic and slow stochastic, we actually reach a level where it is an overbought zone. The market actually tends to go lower from that particular levels. See, I am hovering over here where the market has been at the top, and it is the fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are at the top. See, the market actually turned down because of global turmoil, but technical analysis proves that global turmoil is technically linked, and when the market goes upwards, so fast stochastic and slow stochastic move to the level of 90, market finds a way to go down with global turmoil. That's it. That's about it. That's what technical analysis can do for you. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you like this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There will be 3 strategies which will be taught to you, which makes you real money on a daily basis, happening in Bangalore, and go to webinar. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.